Good morning and namaste. Mr. Shyam Prasad Garu, Chairman and Managing Director of the TDH Group, Mr. Karnam Garu, IAS and Health Director, Mr. Dayakar Garu, the Director of IIMR, of course our CEO and leaders from GMR, from Alior, from other organizations, retailers, family of the TDH Group, Anindit, Doctor, very nice to see all of you. And first, namaste and a very, very good morning. I'm glad we're doing this launch because it really symbolizes an important movement which is happening in India. నా తెలుగు అంత బాగుండదు అందుకే నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే మాట్లాడుతున్నా. And this movement you saw over there, changing the way India eats. Actually, we should change that slogan to say bringing back the good way that India used to eat. Because Chanenla Mundu, I brought quinoa from America. And I told my mother-in-law, this is very good food, Attama, please, we should all eat this. And she looked at it and said, idi taidalu korralu lakane undi. So this is something that our families used to eat earlier. And bringing back the millet culture into this country is a very important thing. This is driven, of course, Dr. Bharat, who founded Millet Marvels, almost 5-6 years ago. But we're extremely lucky that this is being driven by our Honorable Prime Minister. And he declared 2023 as the year of the millet. And you may wonder what's so special about millet, so I need to spend a minute on that. The fiber content, the nutrient content, and its interaction with the microbiome is superior to any other cereal and grain. And therefore, like you rightly heard, everybody is talking about the health benefits of millets. So switching to millets and ensuring that you have a millet once a day at least, and you cycle your millets. We should not eat millets the same millet every day, and Bharat can tell you more about that. So this whole movement of millets and bringing back good healthy ways to eat. But in today's world, it starts with the farmer. And I think it's very important for us to also notice two important facts about millets. They're not only good for health, but they're good for the farmer and they're good for the environment. They take less water and they take less pesticides. So overall, they're environment friendly in many ways. Having said that, you may wonder, what am I doing over here? What is Apollo Hospitals doing connected to TDH and millets? So approximately 4 or 5 years ago, we started a women's park when I was, in FICCI. And in the women's manufacturing park, while I was promoting this so that women entrepreneurship comes forward. So because in addition to health as a subject for me, women empowerment is another very important subject. So in the park, we created a food factory. And this was actually called FAST, which is food as therapy. Because food, which in India is a $76 billion business, is not just a business. Food is a cure. Food is a way to stay healthy. Food is a part of life, and the gut or the stomach and the intestines are also now, as research is showing, they're connected to the brain. So our brain health is being signaled by what we're eating and what our microbiome health is. And millets are one of the best products for microbiome. So having said that, I also saw Dr. Bharat, who's a practicing doctor at Apollo Hospitals, said, ma'am, I'm starting this concept. So I said, okay, yeah, very good. And he was doing his own thing and putting this forward. And then at some point when he needed some help, I'm glad that the factory, Bharat's initiative came together. But also, I don't think we're specialists in the retailing of food. So that's where TDH comes in. So the combination of these three things is really not just a good business, but more importantly, it's good for the country, it's good for the health of people, it's good for the economy, as well as for the environment. So that's why I'm very happy to be here today. I want to wish all of you the very best. of health, because at the end of the day, whatever you're doing in life, you may be the most successful businessman, the most successful anchor, the most successful personality, but you cannot enjoy the full fruits of what you are doing unless you are healthy. If you're able to wake up and feel that energy and fulfill what you're trying to do in life, that is the essence. So my true message is that food is one methodology, and the right food is the most important. So over the years, I pushed this concept of the noodles because I feel really bad that we're giving maida pindi. Normal noodles is just maida with some chemicals. If you open a ready-made, packet of noodles, it's very unhealthy and kids love it. So this is a methodology to bring healthy food back into society. So that's one of the reasons I'm extremely happy. But I want to end by really wishing every single Indian a healthy life and a positive role in the journey of our country. And in this, I think we must mention Mr. Shyam Prasad. He was telling me that he started with a 5 crore turnover, and he's built this to a 535 crore turnover. And this has happened, I think, because of his passion to do things and to think big and to come into a different dimension of how we do things. And I think this is also reflective of the location Tenali. My father visited, when he was practicing as a doctor, we had many patients who would come from the coastal areas. Bhimavaram, Tenali, Guntur, andar chala mandi vachevallu. And we always saw this special dynamism in all of them. So maybe it comes from the place, maybe, there's something in the soil, maybe we should grow our millets in Tenali so that we could give it to everybody. But I must congratulate you for your dynamism and your, your this thing forward. And at the end of the day, I do want this thing that while this is not an Apollo Hospitals business, anything that we do would be in healthcare, in the area of keeping people healthy, of promoting health, of doing what is good for the country and the economy, and definitely ensuring that our country rises and shines. We're in an age of extreme uncertainty. On one side, you see, a president of a country is changing the tariffs, and therefore potentially we could be going into a recession. In this environment, India must remain strong. You see the non-communicable disease, heart attacks, strokes, various things coming up. On World Health Day, we released the Health of the Nation report. There is a tsunami. There is an epidemic of non-communicable disease. So I request every single one of you to please stay healthy, monitor your blood pressure, maintain your blood sugars, ensure that you're exercising, and have regular health checkups, because many of these underlying diseases are happening across the population. So health is critical. And finally, I did mention it before, but I think that an entire ecosystem is coming together of a factory, Dr. Bharat, and the one I must mention, the Indian Institute of Millets Research, because you were the ones who helped research the product, create the products, and enable this. And now we're doing a lot more. Even now, the noodles need to go gluten-free. That will happen in the next few months. We're looking at various aspects of flour so that you can replace the chapati flour with millet flour. We're looking at enriching that flour with an additional protein. So there's a whole roadmap to health, and I'm very happy that all of you are partners in that journey to health. So all the very best, and namaste, and God bless you.
సంగీత రెడ్డి గారిని వేదిక మీదే ఉండవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము.